Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And for this week's Take and Make craft, we will be making this Valentine's heart rocket with this little cutout where you can put a message or maybe a photo or just leave it blank. In your craft kit this week, you will receive a small bag with 5 paper hearts and your rocket template sheet on colored paper. Of your own supplies, you will need tape or glue, scissors, and your coloring supplies of choice. First, I will take my scissors and cut out the rocket on the lines on the template. There will be 3 color options for you to choose from: this pale pink, a red, and a hot pink. And once our rocket is cut out, I'm going to want to reserve some of the bigger scraps so we can cut out our wings. Next, I will draw out our heart window on our rocket and then a rough outline of our wings. For my first example, I did more of a rounded traditional rocket wing, and here I'm doing more plain, like angular wings. And then I will go ahead and cut those out. Just evening out those wings a bit. And then I will do some scrap reorganizing before we cut out our heart window. So I am going to very gently fold our rocket in half. I don't want to press hard because we don't want to fold in our final rocket. Just want to do that so I can cut out our heart. So I'm following the lines. And to make sure our finished rocket is nice and clean, I'm just turning it over so the lines from the template and the lines that I drew are not visible. Now we can go ahead and attach our wings to our rocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and use tape for this just because it's easy and mess-free. So I'm just doing a roll of tape so it's sticky on both sides and attaching our wings to our rocket. You, of course, can use glue, either school glue or a glue stick. Probably have a final product that's a little stronger, but might be a little bit more messy in the assembly stage. Now that our rocket base is assembled, I can go ahead and color. And while I color a rocket here today, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the awesome Library Lovers Expedition that is happening from February 1st through March 31st. So Library Lovers Expedition is a program to incentivize you to visit some other local libraries, specifically McHenry County libraries. There are 15 participating libraries this year. If you visit all 15 libraries, you're entered into a grand prize drawing, but if you visit only 12 libraries, you're entered to win a raffle basket of your choice. You also get a super cute little brag tag at each library you visit. It's an awesome way to see what other libraries in the area offer and what's available to you as a library card holder in the state of Illinois. So if you're interested in learning more about the program or registering for the program, there will be a link in the description with more information, and you can also stop by the Wauconda Area Library to sign up. You don't have to be a library card holder or even be a member at the library that you're registering at. So when you come in to get this week's Take and Make craft, if you would like to go ahead and sign up, that would be awesome. So I've just added a top and a bottom to the rocket. Now I am decorating the wings to make it really extra festive. I wanted to use some glitter and metallics and bright colors, but of course you can use whatever coloring supplies you'd like. This would be a great way to use up sequins and stickers. And like I said earlier, if you wanted to put a photo behind the heart window, if you wanted to write a little Valentine's note so that it functions more like a Valentine's card, both would be awesome. I was trying to think of good space puns to do. You're out of this world, Valentine. I really wanted to think of one with planet, but I wasn't coming up with any good ones. I didn't plan it, but you're my Valentine. If you have any suggestions and you see me at the library, please let me know, because it was driving me crazy. To spare you the 5 minutes of me musing about space puns and coloring, here is our rocket all colored. Next, we will add our rocket fuel source, which is the power of love, which is the most renewable resource there is. So I am laying out our 5 hearts, and same as our wings, I'm going to make some tape rolls to attach it. Of course, you don't necessarily need to use your hearts as a fuel source. You can use them to decorate your rocket, however you'd like. And each bag of hearts will have a mix of different colors. And I'm just attaching them to the end of the rocket with my tape, and I do the same with glue. I'm focusing the adhesive towards the point of the heart so that to make it look more like the fire of rocket fuel, it's coming out of the exhaust. I work at a library. I'm not a rocket scientist. But that is it. That is our Valentine's heart rocket. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Please like the video and subscribe and learn more about library lovers. Me and Blue will see you next week for a new Valentine's craft.